Withdrawing money from your PayPal account to your bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to complete the transaction easily. Step 1. Log into your PayPal account. Open your web browser or the PayPal app and log in using your email address and password associated with your PayPal account. Step 2. Navigate to your wallet. Once logged in, locate and click on the wallet option in the main menu. This section displays your PayPal balance and linked bank accounts. Step 3. Select Transfer Funds. In the Wallet section, find and click on the Transfer Funds or Withdraw Funds option. This will allow you to initiate the withdrawal process. Step 4. Choose your bank account. Select the bank account you wish to transfer the money to. If you have multiple accounts linked, ensure you choose the correct one. Step 5. Enter the amount and confirm. Input the amount you want to withdraw and review the details. Once everything is correct, click on the Transfer or Confirm button to complete the transaction. After following these steps, your funds will be on their way to your bank account. Keep an eye on your bank account for the transfer, as it may take a few business days to process.